Hi guys, welcome to New Tech Zone YouTube channel. To get notified mind-blowing latest technology news visible right in your YouTube homepage. Subscribe and click the bell button. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome to New Tech Zone YouTube channel. So in this video guide I'm going to show you how to update latest iOS 14 beta 6 version from iOS 14 developer version. So at the moment I am using iOS 14 developer version. I'll show you that. So here you can find software version which is iOS 14.0. Also I'm using iPhone 11 and I will show you my update. So you can find here checking for update, and it's iOS 14.0. So also if I click customize automatic updates, you can find I have already enabled automatic download iOS and automatic install iOS, but still it's not updated into the latest iOS 14 beta 6 version. So I'll show you how to do that. So if you have already updated into the developer version only, you can do this. So if you don't know how to update from iOS 13 to iOS 14, please mention the link below in my video description. I have shown you everything clearly how to update very first time from iOS 13 to 14. Okay, here I am going to show you how to update beta 6 version. So go to the Safari browser and go to this website. I have mentioned the link below in my video description. Simply you have to copy and paste that into your Safari browser. Okay, you can find here it will ask, do you want to sign in idmsa.apple.com with your Apple ID? Yes, I want to click a continue button. So once click, it's recognized my face ID and sign in. So if you have enabled any password, you have to type that, or you have to keep your fingerprint or thumbprint, whatever, and just log into this website. Okay, here you can find guide for public beta. So this is the beta version of iOS 14. So you can find here iOS 14, and you have to go under get started section. You have to click enroll your iOS device. Just click that. Okay, here you can find under acquire a backup. Please note that you are about to install beta software, so always you have to make sure that you have backup your data and files before installing beta versions of iOS. So we recommend you to backup all your files into your computer or into your iCloud or whatever. Just make sure you have backup every of your data, so it will not delete anything, or in case if all the files are deleted, you can simply restore them. So if you guys don't know how to backup all your files to iCloud or Mac or to your Windows PC, or you can if you don't know how to backup through iTunes, I have already shown how to do that in my previous video. So I'll mention all the links below in my video description. So if you guys feel any kind of issue, something like iTunes not connected or USB not recognized or whatever connection, I have mentioned all the links of my previous video. Simply you can do that. So now under install profile, you can find from your iOS device, go to betaapple.com/profile to download the configuration profile. So at the moment you can just click download and profile button here. So make sure you have backup make sure you backup all your files, and once you're done, just click download profile here. Okay, now you can find, once I click, it asks this website is trying to download a configuration profile. Do you want to allow this? Yes, allow. And now you can find profile downloaded. Review the profile in settings app if you want to install it. So just close now. Okay, now go to the settings and you can find here profile downloaded option. So just click profile downloaded, and you can find iOS 14 and iPod OS 14 beta software. So you have to just click install button to install this profile into your iPhone. So I'm going to click install button here, and if it requires any password you have to type that. Okay, that's it. Now they have shown their agreement and everything, so now you have to click again install button and click install. So now your profile has downloaded and you need to restart your mobile, so I'm going to click restart. Okay, now my mobile got restarted, and I want to go to the settings and click general and click software update. Okay, now you can find iOS 14 public beta 6 version is available to download and install. All you have to do is just click download and install button and follow the instruction. So that's how you can update from iOS 14 developer version into iOS 14 beta version. Also, if you are already using iOS 13 version, simply you can do the very same settings to install iOS 14 beta version. So guys, if you think this is helpful for you, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Also, please don't forget to click bell button, and so all of my future video will be available into your YouTube homepage. Thank you. If you like our videos, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to stay tuned more awesome latest tech videos. Thank you.